Because this is an online course, you will need internet and an internet-capable computer, as well as a webcam, microphone, and speakers, so that you can present your oral presentation, which is a required element of this course. In terms of software to submit assignments, you will need Google Drive, because we'll be using Google Docs in order for me to provide feedback this semester. And all Delaware Tech students do have access to Google Drive through their dtcc.edu email address. You don't have to create a new account. You already have one that's automatically associated with your Dell Tech account. But you'll also need Microsoft Word and PowerPoint because you can't submit a Google Doc into D2L, unfortunately. And there will be cases this semester where you'll need to convert a Google Doc into a Word doc, or vice versa. There's no need to go out and spend money buying Microsoft Office. It's very expensive, and luckily the college provides Office 365 for free to students. So if you go to the resources page of Delaware Tech's homepage, and you scroll down to the technology box, this is where you can access your Google Drive account and where you can download Office 365. So both of those resources are available to you as Delaware Tech students. You also will need the textbook, Critical Approaches to Reading, Writing, and Thinking. So this is the 3rd edition of the book, but if you have an older edition, you can use it as well. It's just that the page numbers are different for the chapters. So on the course schedule, if it says to read chapter 3, you'll just want to read chapter 3 in your book and ignore the page numbers on the schedule, because the page numbers are linked specifically to this edition of the book. Hopefully that will cover everything that you need. If there's anything else that comes up, or if you have any questions, email me and I'll be happy to answer your questions.